Okay, Mike, Dan, and Alan here at GM Bolt. We've got a full range here of custom cut studs, and these are sections of threaded rod or booker rod that have been cut. We do quite a few of these, and you can see this is a large stainless one. We also chamfer the ends, and you can see on this one how the ends have been ground down there so you don't cut yourself, and you can easily fit a nut on those. We do thousands of these studs every week for the construction industry, and what they do is drill the hole, as you probably know, in a concrete pad, stick some epoxy in, stick the stud in, put the stud over the top of that, and that's what holds your house down as you tighten the nut over the top of that stud. Anyway, we've got some epoxy here as well. We've got the Ramset 101 that's used in this type of application. They're used in residential homes as well as commercial buildings. Why would you use a big stainless stud like this? That would be probably like for your city infrastructure?
For any sort of stud work done up north in Mackay or any cyclone rated environment.
Okay.
Where you need to put a larger diameter chemical stud into the ground, or if you need to put two nuts on either end and through a piece of wall or a piece of section with two nuts. So it's just another way of making a longer bolt.
And so you're looking at Australia. They actually refer to chemical anchors and mechanical anchors, and this is an example of a chemical anchoring system. Mechanical would be your sleeve anchors, wedge anchors, or dynabolts or through bolts, whatever you want to call them. We've also got another type of epoxy here. It's Fisher brand. This is one of our favorite. This is the FIS EM390S. Dan, how's this one different from the Ramset 101?
It's just made better. It's a German-made product, made directly from Fisher factories in Germany.
But if you're putting up a house, it doesn't really matter, right? You're talking about...
No, it doesn't really matter, I guess, at the end of the day. Ramset 101 is perfectly capable of doing that.
Yep.
We prefer to sell Fisher because it has 100% warranty backing behind it.
Yep.
It has all the technical data required for engineers, and it's a friendly, easy-to-use product.
And how does the Fisher compare to the Hilti?
Hilti and Fisher worldwide are the two biggest masonry companies. So Fisher is by far probably the biggest masonry company throughout the world. Fisher and Hilti are very similar companies as far as they're both German, and they both think the same way as far as making their products. Hilti is predominantly these days more of a power tool company than a fastener company.
Oh, interesting. Well, come down to GM Bolt, get your custom cut studs. We do a lot of M8 by 100 range, M10 by 100 range in stainless, but we also do a lot of hot dip gal rod as well. We also do the full lengths of rod, 1 meter and 3 meter rod, so you can cut your own on site if you need to. And we also sell the Ramset and Fisher brand epoxy.